Okay, are you ready to do some car track coloring? We have Marshall's fire truck from Paw Patrol. He's gonna help us today. Look, the firefighter puppy. We'll leave him right here so you guys can see him. And then we're gonna borrow his fire truck. I taped a marker onto the back, and then Marshall is gonna go around saving the day, making tracks. You could use a small car, a big car. You could use markers, crayons. You could use anything with this. But you have to make sure when you're taping on the marker or anything, it has to be touching the tip of the paper. So always use a paper on the bottom to try and test it out as you're taping it, because as you can see, all the tape I had to use. But this is a fun activity that the kids can do for a little while, especially where they all love cars and trucks, or even if you have to attach it to something else that has wheels on it that you can wheel around, whatever you have in your house. And I hope you guys all have a good weekend, and we'll see you Monday for circle time.